Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the A06 Teardown channel. I recently got my hands on a Samsung A06. Let's take a look at the internal structure of this device together. First, let's check the model information in the phone settings. Alright, now let's start the teardown process. We'll begin by heating the back cover at 80 degrees for a few minutes. With a little help from alcohol, I was able to easily open the back cover. A quick note, there's adhesive around the camera area as well. Next, remove all the screws holding the middle frame. Don't forget the screws at the top and bottom. Then, take out the SIM tray. Remove the middle frame from. Disconnect the flex cables connected to the motherboard. Remove the volume and power buttons from the middle frame. Place a protective sticker on the back camera. Disconnect the battery and LCD flex cables. Remove the back camera. Apply a small amount of alcohol, then remove the front camera. Disconnect the lower flex cables, then detach the coaxial cable. Remove the speaker. Take out the charging port board. Remove the vibrator. Gently lift the motherboard from one corner. Remove the earpiece speaker. Detach the volume and power button flex cable. Remove the battery. Then heat the screen. Use a suction cup to create a gap between the screen and the frame. Then slide a thin tool to separate the screen from the front frame. Finally, remove the screen completely. That's the teardown process for the Samsung A06. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.